So let's discuss set B, video 8. So in this we'll discuss from the question number from 71. Okay, so let's discuss UPSC prelims question paper. In India, which of the following can be considered as public investment in agriculture? So what is public investment? You invest in infrastructure, you invest in some kind of R&D research. Okay, so all those are public investment. Statement 1, fixing minimum price for agriculture produce for all crops. Now that is not investment, that is subsidies are not investment. Second, computerization of primary agricultural credit society. Yes, you are using technology here, so that is a capital investment. It's an investment. Second is social capital development, R&D training, so that will also come here. Statement 4, free electricity supply to farmer. No, it is subsidy. Fifth, waiver of agricultural loan by bank system. No, that is also not true. 6, setting up cold storage facilities by government. Now that is correct. So these are basically investment in agriculture. So 2, 3, 6 is the right answer. Question number 72. What is the importance of the term interest coverage ratio of firm in India? So what is interest coverage ratio? So if you take a loan and if your income of the company is more than the interest which is supposed to be paid by the bank. So let's say my annual income is, let's say 10 lakh rupees, and I have to pay loan to the bank and the interest of the bank is less than 10 lakh rupees, then only I'll be able to pay the loan. Okay. So interest coverage ratio, if it is less than 1, which means you cannot pay the loan, and that is a very difficult situation. So it helps in understanding the firm that a bank is going to give loan to, that is true. It helps in evaluation of the emerging risk of a firm that bank is going to give loan to, that is also true. If your ICR is more than 1, which means that you can pay the loan for the bank because your income is more than the interest of the bank. So that is what it means, interest coverage ratio. So 1 and 2 are correct. Statement 3, the higher a borrowing firm level of interest coverage ratio, the worse is the ability to service the debt. It is opposite actually. So statement 3 is incorrect. Higher is the ICR, which means it is better, the better your situation is. So you can look at the solution. Question number 73, which of the following policies were affecting the price of rice in India in the recent past? So MSP increase the price of the rice in the market. Okay, so that is correct. Government does trading, that might also impact the prices. Okay. Government stockpiles, so that might decrease the supply in the market, that might also impact the prices. And government might give subsidies to the consumer, that might also affect the prices. So all the 4 options are correct. It's a straight away question. So this question is on external trade, question number 74. Consider the following statements. The value of Indo-Sri Lanka trade has consistently increased in the last decade. That is not true, because we had such kind of question. Usually it is incorrect, because you are saying that in last 10 years it has grown consistently, which means every year the growth has been there, value. So maybe that could not be, but here it is a factual question that it is not correct. So 1 is incorrect. The textile articles constitute an important item of trade between India and Bangladesh. So textile trade is very important area between India and Bangladesh. That happens. So 2 is correct. In the last 5 years, Nepal has been the largest trading partner of India in South Asia. No, I think Bangladesh is the highest. So this is also incorrect. So 2 is the right answer. So B is the right answer. Question number 75. Which one of the following groups are all the 4 countries member of G20? So G20 is a group of countries. So what are the countries? Argentina, Australia, Brazil. So if you look at the countries, Argentina is there, Mexico is there, South Africa is there, Turkey is there. Iran cannot be there, so this is out. Indonesia, Singapore, Japan, South Korea. Okay, these are, a few of the countries are smaller here. A is the right answer here. Under the Kisan Credit Card scheme, short-term credit support is given to farmers for which one of the following purpose? Okay, short. Kisan Credit Card is usually used by farmer to purchase the input for agriculture. So working capital for maintenance of farm asset. Now this can be there. Okay, one is correct. Purchase of combined harvesters, tractors, and mini truck. No, this is not, because for that you need big loans. So 2 is incorrect. So if 2 is incorrect, this and this is out, and this is also out. In fact, clear cut, you get 1, 3, and 4 as answer. So let's take through. Consumption requirement for farm household. That is true. And 4 is post harvest expenses. That is also true. Construction of family house. No, that is not true. So that will be home loan. So 1, 3, 4. That is B is the right answer. Again, economics question. Question number 77. Consider the following statements. The weightage of food in consumer price index is higher than that in the wholesale price index. Now that is true. In consumer price index, it is almost 50%. And in WPI, it is less. It is around 30-35%. So this is correct. WPI does not capture changes in the price of services. That is true. CPI is, has both goods and services, and WPI only goods. 697 items, only goods. So 2 is correct. Reserve Bank of India adopted WPI note. Reserve Bank of India has adopted CPI as the indicator. Inflation targeting mein they take CPI. So 1 and 2 are correct here. 3 is directly incorrect. Because of the following pairs, river flows into Mekong. Mekong is a river which is basically in the Indo-China region, and it does not flow in the Andaman Ocean. Rather, it flows on the opposite side, which is South China Sea. So it is incorrect. Thames, I think, moves into. If you look at Irish Sea and Thames River passes through London, so the location is different. So it's a North Sea actually. Volga in Caspian Sea, that is right. Zambezi in Indian Ocean, that is also right. So it's a factual question. You just have to have little understanding of the map. I can solve it directly. Question number 79. Consider the following statements. In the case of all cereals, pulses, and oil seeds, the procurement at MSP is unlimited in any state. Now, wherever the such term unlimited or extreme statement comes, you can avoid that. So this is definitely incorrect. Question statement 2. In the case of cereals and pulses, the MSP is fixed in any state UT at a level to which the market price will never rise. Now that is something. MSP is a government support price. It will, it can impact the prices of the market, but you cannot say that market, the price will not go beyond this. So both 1 and 2 option are incorrect. So D is the right answer. Again, it's a question from Money Market. Question number 80. With reference to Indian economy, consider the following statement. Commercial paper is a short-term unsecured promissory note. Now that is correct. Certificate deposit is a long-term. No. Certificate deposit is a short-term instrument. Okay, so this is incorrect. So 2 is incorrect because money market is 0 to 1 year. So these are short-term. Call money is a short-term used to interbank transaction. Yes. If one bank needs money, it can take money from other bank, and that is called call money, and the period is 1 to 14 days. So whenever banks face a short-term liquidity problem, they can use call money instrument. Zero coupon bonds are interest bearing short-term bonds. No, they're not interest bearing bond. Okay, they do not give interest. In fact, they are zero coupon. By schedule, they are issued by scheduled commercial bank to corporation note. Zero coupon bond are called treasury bills, T-bills. They are issued by RBI on behalf of Government of India. So 4 is incorrect. So 4 is incorrect, and 1 and 3 are correct. So C is the right answer. Okay, so you can read all the explanation. Okay, thank you very much.